Tonight, on the AGI and ASI update, physical world intelligence from Meta, India's multilingual AI push, OpenAI's first hardware acquisition, a rising superintelligence startup, and new global developments in responsible AGI. This is your June 16th update on the advancing frontier of artificial intelligence, general intelligence, and what lies beyond. Meta has released V-JEPA 2, the next evolution of its embodied intelligence research. Unlike models trained purely on static language or still imagery, V-JEPA 2 learns by observing the real-world dynamics of objects, how they move, how they interact, and how context changes behavior. Think of it as perception with prediction. The model can simulate outcomes before acting, and that capability is essential to the dream of AGI-powered robotics. Meta describes the system as self-supervised, meaning it doesn't require labeled datasets to learn. Instead, it builds an internal model of the world by watching it. This brings us closer to intelligent systems that can adapt, learn from motion, and function autonomously in complex environments, not just in digital spaces, but in the physical world. Meanwhile, in Baltimore, the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab is hosting a timely gathering of legal scholars, ethicists, engineers, and futurists. The PLAITS Summit, short for Privacy and Liberty in the Age of AI and Immersive Tech, is placing AGI and ASI directly under the legal microscope. Panelists are asking, how do we protect human agency when machine cognition rivals or exceeds our own? What does consent look like when surveillance is ambient and AI can infer our intentions before we express them? The event represents a growing shift. AI regulation isn't just about data anymore, it's about dignity, identity, and control. In a major acquisition, OpenAI has finalized its $6.5 billion purchase of I/O, the design lab co-founded by Apple legend Jony Ive. This marks OpenAI's first official move into hardware. With Ive's industrial design team now in-house, the company is expected to prototype a suite of AI-native devices. Sources close to the deal suggest the first product could be a wearable or desktop interface optimized for natural language interaction with multimodal agents like GPT-4o. If AGI is the brain, this acquisition suggests OpenAI is now focused on the body. Safe Superintelligence Inc, the company launched by former OpenAI chief scientist Ilya Sutskever, has quietly reached a $30 billion valuation. The startup's singular mission, to build superintelligence that is aligned with human values and nothing else. Investors describe the firm as monomaniacal in its purpose. No API, no consumer tools, no training as a service. Just one goal: safe ASI. It's a bold counterpoint to the multi-purpose sprawl of other labs. Whether it leads to success or isolation remains to be seen. But the message is clear. The race to ASI is no longer hypothetical. It's funded, staffed, and underway. Finally, India's government-backed BharatGen project is accelerating. Designed as a large language model capable of processing over 1,600 languages and scripts, BharatGen aims to be the multilingual backbone of India's digital future. It's not just a language model, it's a political statement. By developing an indigenous AI framework, India hopes to reduce reliance on foreign systems and align AGI capabilities with local cultural, linguistic, and democratic values. That's your AI, AGI, and ASI briefing for June 16, 2025. The age of artificial cognition is here, not in the abstract, but in code, in law, in language, and in machines. Until tomorrow, stay informed, stay human.